If you're anything like me, one of your least favorite developer tasks is probably maintaining the version of your dependencies. Now, there's a lot of different command line tools to help you maintain your dependency versions, but what if you prefer GUIs? I went searching for this because this is something that I personally would like, and I managed to find this NPM Desktop Manager, and it's available for Mac, Linux, and Windows. It's just a simple installer, so you download it and run through the basic steps. And once you get it installed, it will look something like this. So you come in here, you add a project, and I have this Adonis user role authentication project already open within Visual Studio Code, so we'll go ahead and go with this one. And it might take a second here to load your packages, but once it does, it will have all of your dependencies listed out, including your dev dependencies, which is highlighted by this env column over here. And it lists out the current version that you have installed, the wanted version, so this would be your safe upgrade version, and then the latest version, which would include major releases. In addition to that, you can also install additional packages using this just by clicking the add package, typing in the package name, whether or not it's a dev dependency, and then clicking install right there. And you can also update and manage your NPM version here too. But the primary reason that I like this application is because not only can you select one particular package and update it, so you can target a specific version, you can upgrade it to that latest version that's highlighted right here. You can upgrade it to the wanted version, or you can uninstall it. But you can highlight multiple different packages and perform one of those actions across the board of your selections. But you can see by all of these check marks here that a lot of the ones that I already have selected here are already at their latest version. So what I'm going to do is just select individual ones that need upgrading. So I'm going to hold down Command on Mac and probably be Control on Windows. And I'm going to select just the Adonis packages that need upgrading here. And then I can come up to the top right corner and click on latest to install that latest version right here. So let's go ahead and hit latest for that. If you don't want to include major versions, you'll want to hit update instead, which will go to the wanted version. And you will notice that once you go to update your packages, this is a lot slower than if you just ran the npm update commands. But I do really like having a GUI option just to see what is out of date. And since this is slower, if you wanted to, you could just take the versions that are listed here, go into your terminal. Let's put that down there. And then you could just manually build out the command using the versions that are listed here. So you could update it that way as well, using the GUI as a reference to the versions that you'll need. And once everything finishes up, you'll be taken right back here where it will relist out all of your packages with their new versions. Now you'll notice that the assembler and core are still not at that latest version, but that's because they have other dependencies tying them to the specific version. Just to verify, I did test, I ran the actual npm update command here, so npm would not have updated these either. So this is working as intended. So if you're looking for an easy way to go through your project's dependencies and audit them and see which ones need updated, the npm management GUI here, despite it being a little bit slow, does work great and is a fantastic option. So if you enjoyed this lesson or you learned something new, please consider hitting the like button down below and subscribing for future lessons just like this one. We do focus highly on Adonis.js content here, so if you are interested in learning Adonis.js, might I recommend checking out our channel and especially our Let's Learn Adonis.js series if you're just getting started. Thanks for watching everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.